Welcome to today's tutorial. For this tutorial, we go look at unions and its application. So wetin be union? Well, union na a keyword where we take join two different queries. Make we take example. So make we observe this particular table in the FarmDB database, the farm age. So this farm age get the farm ID of each farm, and then the age in which the farm was created, that is the date in which the farm was created, the age of the farm. So make we write a query using this table to show us how we use the union keyword. Let's say we want to select all columns, select all the columns from age, the farm age, okay, and then we can give a condition where the farm age greater than or equal to 1990. I'll put space for here, 1990 0101, and then make we run them. So it be like say error day in this particular query. We'll go check on where the column, okay, our column is age, not farm age, so that's an error. The name of the table is farm age, but the column is age. So where the age is greater than January 1st 1990, make we run now. Now it don't give us our records, but this is not what we want. So that means there's an issue in our query, because normally it's supposed to give us only the farms that are older than this specified age. So I'm gonna put them in quotes. I think this is where the issue is, and so we'll rerun them again. Okay, so now we have our answer. So now these are farms that are older than January 1st 1990. You can see 96, 99, 97, 93, and so on. The same way, make we run this same query. We'll copy them and then we'll post them down here. But here now, let's say the age is less than. The age is less than 1990 January 1st. Make we run this one, see what it will give us. Okay, so these ones are older than January 1st 1990. So now maybe we want to make the farms with the older than 1990 January 1st. We want to make it reflect as old farms, and we want the ones with they created after 1990 January 1st. We want to refer to them as new farms. So we'll select the columns we want. There are just two columns here, but we want to add a new column, the farm ID and the age. And then we'll create another column and call it old farms, but don't forget to put in quote. Okay, so we'll run this one. All we have here are old farms, but we'll change this one. Instead of old farms, let's call it rated. The ratings is rated as an old farm, so we'll call this one rated. We'll run now. Okay, so this is rated old farms. So make we do the same thing for this first query where we don't do the farm ID. We'll just copy this statement. We'll put them here. But instead of old farms, we'll call this one new farms. Okay, we'll run and see if it'll give us what we want. New farms. Now we won't join these two queries together. We should join them using the union keyword. So let's do it. Union. I'll scroll down so we go see them very well. But here if we see that there's a sign showing us that we can't go ahead yet, and that one because we don't terminate this particular query, but now we want to merge them into just one query, so we'll go remove this termination and then now the only termination we get be this. So if we just run now, we don't match these two now, make we can run now. So you see you don't categorize them into new farms and old farms. So now, so if we use the union keyword to join two queries. Thank you very much, and I'll go see you for the next tutorial.